Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm here in the back cave. I've already taken it apart and stuff, but I just want to mess around with this thing. So, and then I kind of want to figure out, I don't really know the direction I want to go with this thing, but the first thing I need to do is I need to figure out why it dies when you go and try to dog it in. It immediately just wants to cut off. Even if it's already warmed up, it just wants to cut off. So I gotta sort that problem. Which is probably just needs tuned up. I don't think he tuned it. But maybe he did and he didn't tune it. He didn't tune it very well or something. Who knows there. I like this. This has just a little, you can use your scrunch right there and just take out the old screw. Oh, and quick tip, guys, if you guys are messing around and working on your stuff, I always like to keep like a magnetic thing handy. That way I don't, you put this down, you might lose it, or put it in a Tupperware container or something. But what I use is these little magnets. So I just put whatever I need there. These are old bolts from the 590 little shield, which I don't need. I don't need that. It's kind of useless, but I do need this. So that's kind of a quick little tip I got for you guys. I'm sure you guys already know that, but I always kind of recommend doing that. I always take these little shields off, the little backing plate. I call it a backing plate, but I don't know what you want to call it. A oiling, your little oiler area. You can hear the oil come out, listen. It's a little ASMR for you guys right there. Yeah, basically I'm just tidying up in here, you could say. And I'll probably get a new one of these, dude, the little chain catch. That looks pretty nasty. I don't think I can file that thing down to look. I mean, it's doing its job, but to me, it's pretty ugly. And I don't like ugly. Even if this thing was relatively the same price as an Echo or a used Echo, I still want it to look. I want it to look good, guys, as much as I can. But yeah, that's majority of the gunk out. And I'll clean it further. I'm gonna blow it out. That I'll put up here. Keep it together. And then this. See how it's looking in there. I thought I had one little thing there. Here, this is what I'll. Sometimes you just gotta find a way, guys. Don't mind my hiccups. Oh, I don't know what it is. It keeps giving me the hiccups. But I'll try not to do it super loud. Oh. Try to hold my breath. Ready? Ready, guys? Could have held it longer, but I want to talk. But yeah, this is a, let's see, 7-pin, 3/8 7-pin. So some people got, I might do a test. They you can throw like a, I think you can throw like an 8-pin or a 9 or 10-pin on it. But I think when you get bigger, the bigger pin, your bar, you might have an issue with your bar. But oh well, you just try it out, see how you like it. Yeah, I might try like an 8-pin on it and see how it likes it. All right, this video is not sponsored by Seafoam Deep Creep, but this is what I like to use. It has a way better scent than that nasty smelling PB Blaster. PB Blaster is good, but it smells like if you use it, like, okay, when I used to work on my car a lot, which I don't now, I would use a lot of PB Blaster, right? Because I don't like stripping bolts. I don't like, messing around with, big old breaker bars and a bunch of crap, right? So you use that, and I'd be out in the garage using it and then spray it. Then the whole day you just smell like that crap. So change your scent, PB Blaster. But yeah, this stuff, man, this stuff smells good, dude, in my opinion, compared to PB Blaster. And it works, I find it works just the same. So shout out to them, Seafoam. And some people swear by that Seafoam. I've never ran it in an engine or anything, but some people, I think I had a buddy who ran it in his Datsun, and it seemed to make it run better, but his Datsun was a rust bucket anyway, so it didn't really matter. But yeah, this thing is kind of sticking on there. Probably hasn't been off in a while. I kind of want to put some pliers on it, but I don't at the same time. So let's give it a little finesse. I'm not tapping hard, guys. Yeah, I've honestly been trying to make my videos a little bit shorter and to the point, but it's honestly kind of hard because I like to talk, and sometimes you run into stuff like that. So what am I supposed to do? Edit that out, and not show you guys what happens messing with these things? And there's probably a trick like, oh, this guy, Alex, he doesn't even know how to take this thing off. So yeah, I've never messed with this thing before, guys. I messed with the Echo 590, not a Makita. So I'm just taking my time, guys. And they probably didn't oil this bearing in there, because it doesn't seem like it has a lot of goodness in there, right? Let's see. I know what I can do. Look at this. Check this out, guys. Have you ever seen this done? Let's see if we can do it. See if you guys are in frame here. Get you guys adjusted. Boom. Let's use the old trick. The old trickaroo. You ready? I don't know if it's gonna grab it, but we're learning. I don't think it's gonna grab it. Let's see. Oh, almost did. Oh, I almost got it. Try it this way. Come on, get it. Nope, not working. I was trying for you guys. Get you guys back in frame here. Nope, I thought it would be a goofy little trick, little trickster. What about this one? No, that won't work. Yeah, well, let me know if you guys have a tip to get this thing off. It's pretty much on there. I bet you inside, I'm just gonna go ahead and call it, that inside of this thing, there's gonna be a ring of material. That's what's holding it on. So that's my guess, guys. Yeah, I don't know what's its problem. See if we can get a plier on it. Oh, Alex, you're not supposed to use pliers. I'm barely hitting it, guys, so. Oh. Ow, my finger. That thing chewed my finger on the end. Thanks, Makita. It's coming. There we go. Yep. Down in there, look. What do we got? This ring of crap. This thing's probably never been off. See me, when I blow them out, I always take these off. So that's why it gave me such trouble. And you can see, like, I don't know the exact way how to get it off perfectly, but just take your time and figure out. Oh, my hiccups are gone, guys. Thanks for the suggestion of holding my breath. You guys came through. Again, thanks, YouTube. Just kidding. But yeah, if you don't know the correct way, you know, or you kind of know it comes off, you know, just be careful messing with it, you know, that way. This thing is pretty dry, this bearing. So everything looks good in here. You hear that thing, guys? Listen to that thing. Thing's got some compression, guys. Let me hit the button. Where's the button? Ready? Boop. You hear that thing? Thing's like tooting. Oh yeah. Pretty awesome. Alright, don't mind my dogs, guys. They're just goobers. But yeah, that sounds cool. A lot of compression. I need to get a compression tester for this thing, or for all my chainsaws, but so that thing needs lubed, so we'll lube that up. But yeah, everything's looking good so far, guys. I say she's worth it. She's worth it. Let's see if we can get a screwgee in here. It's a, what size is this thing? It's a T15-3. Let's check this shield though. The old screenage. Be careful with that screw. Guy was running some True Fuel, but it looks good. That True Fuel. Sorry, I'm just looking down in there. Looks like there's some carbon in there. Kind of want to take it off now. Should we take it off? Let's put this screen back. I'm kind of mixed on the screens, to be honest. I don't like them, but at the same time, I like them. Like I know they put it there for a reason, but it's like, is it really gonna spark and cause a fire? You know what I mean? Or with my chainsaw bar, when it doesn't hit, you know, it doesn't have enough oil or ran out of oil, or, you know, I've seen with an oiled bar, you know, it'll spark sometimes. Go take your chainsaw and cut at night. I'm sure you'll see a couple sparks. All right, let's see if we can get this off. Put this back. See what these are. I think it's a I'm gonna guess T25-4. Oh, perfect. See if we can manhandle this thing. Oh yeah. She likes me. She's already liking me, guys. She's not. Oh no, come on, I spoke too soon. Ah. Why did you do that? Why did I say that? Don't you love that? Alright. This is a little tech tip. Just a little, because you're banging, you know, inside here is your jug, which is aluminum usually. So just give it a little tippy, tippy tappy. I'm gonna have to get my. All right, let me get my thing, guys. I can't get that. I think it is. I think that's the right size. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get in there with this thing, guys. Well, let me get my dog. Hold on. What can we use? MacGyver. We gotta MacGyver this, guys. Let's see this one. Nope. I don't have a thing long enough. Dang, man. Let's try it one more time. Let's give it a little tappy tappy. Gentle, gentle, gentle. And yeah. Oh man, I'm not gonna be able to get it. Oh, I got it. Yeah, you guys saw that. Yeah, guys, I might be skinny, but I'm kind of strong, and I used to rock, I still rock climb, but I don't do it regularly. So I do have pretty good grip for an everyday man. Let's see if this one will come out. Oh, that one's coming. Oh, that one's tight as crap too, but I think I can get to it. Is that the only one? 3? Hopefully it's only 3, because that's horrible. Yeah, I am not gonna put, I gotta get some T-handles, or I gotta get a longer thing for my impact. You can see how much I work on chainsaws, not that often. But it's gonna be changing, because I'm liking them. Yeah, I really like cars, guys, but cars are so, I mean, chainsaws are expensive too, but cars, it's like everything is like $1,000 to do anything to your car. So it's like, do I want to mess with that? Oh, there we go. Just got to get that grip. Come on, I am not taking that dog off. Get out of there. Okay. Alright, that's good. This thing's got mad oil in there. Let's look inside this thing. Alright, so it has to go through. Can you guys see this? Let me do it with you. So it has to go through this perforation. See that in there? So we need to take out that perforation. But to do that, you got to take out, you got to peel back this whole thing. See how it's peeled over? So you probably got to heat that up. Peel it on over. But yeah, this thing's kind of dirty. But yeah, might do that. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Let's take a look at this piston. Let's cross our fingers. Let's cross our fingers. See if it looks, oh, it looks great. Can you guys see that? It looks good, guys. Dude, the little factory lines, I forgot what they're called. The like little basically retains oil in there. They're in there. That's pretty awesome. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to hold this light and all right, I'm holding the light. Oh, there's a little bit of wear on it, but good. Oh, the intake side looks good, dudes. Look at this thing. This thing's gonna be great. Yeah, the inside on the intake side. Can you guys, all right, look at that. There's only one little mark. Yeah, we're in business, guys. So it looks good. Looks great. But I will say that this gas he's using, like, look at that. It's all like gummy. So luckily the cylinder and stuff's not gummed up, but good thing I took it off. I need to clean in here too. So yeah, good news. Good news, guys. We like good news. All right, so what I'm gonna do from here, I'm going to put a little thingamabob down in the cylinder. I guess here's a better idea. Don't do that, do this. But use better tape. This tape, man, I swear. This tape sucks. This frog tape, I do not recommend it. .3M. The 3M's working. Then just take this, trace it. See that? Boom. We good. Why do I want to mod the muffler now? Oh man, got the hiccups again. Why'd you guys do that? You guys gave me the hiccups again. These are really nice saws, dude. Like the way they're built solid, dude. I really like it. Easy, simple. I'll use that down in here. Always put that, you know, just in case. These are not tight at all, which I'm all right with. Yeah, I think this thing sat in this guy's garage. Hopefully I don't have to take off the handle. Oops. Trying not to take off the old handle. Do you gotta unscrew that too? I think I gotta take, yeah, I gotta take one screw off. I'm only taking one. I just want a peek in there. Keep track of your bolts, guys. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. Little oil over here. NGK plug. Loose plug. Wow, guys. So maybe, look how loose that is. So maybe that's why she was dying. Let's take a look at it. Actually, it looks pretty good. Light cardboard color. It's pretty good. I'm just wiping it off because it had some oil on it. The point is pretty good. Squared up. That's good. See if I can see in the cylinder here. Where's my phone, boy? Where's my phone, boy? Oh yeah, the top of this piston, man. The top of the piston. You can't see it. But this top of this piston, dude. I'm gonna show you. Look at this. You see that? It's just straight grimy, like gummy. It's like gummed up. I think that's what that oil does, that True Fuel does. But yeah, it's looking good in there other than that little gummy, but I think I can fix that. So I'm gonna put this thing back in. I don't know what the gap's supposed to be at. I was using the wrong side. User error. Alright, so this thing is a little bit, this thing is at like 5. That's 6. See if we got 7. Seven. All right. Should be good. Is that proper? Probably not, but that's what we're doing. And we'll make sure this sucker's tight. Even the tip part was loose. Even this part was loose. Hopefully that gap works better than what we had it at. It was like a 5. So snug it down a little bit, but not crazy. And then there you go. Pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave that for here because it's already been 45-minute video. Gosh, I'm trying, guys, to make them short, but I think I just blab a lot. But yeah, that's pretty good down here. Down over here. The case is a little chewed up right here on the magnesium, but I think I can file it a little and then maybe put a little patch right there, make it look a little nicer. But I'll just be careful with it. Probably someone slamming it around or something. But yeah, that's what we're working with. So I'm gonna call it a video. I appreciate you guys taking a peek at this saw with me. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'd be happy to answer it. And pretty fun learning along with you guys. So we'll take good care of her while we have her here on the channel. Pretty nice. Me like it. That's what my son says. Me like it. Hey, do you like it? He'll say, me like it. But yeah, you guys have a good night, and I will catch you on the next video.